Welcome to miniOrange. In this video, we are going to cover how to set up Okta as your identity provider for Confluence using the miniOrange SAML SSO app. Start in Confluence. Go to the miniOrange SAML SSO app, open Configure, and select Add New IDP. From the Quick Setup options, choose Okta as your identity provider. Now switch to your Okta admin console. Go to the Applications tab and click Create App Integration. Choose SAML 2.0 and press Next. Enter a name for your application, then continue. For the single sign-on URL, copy the ACS URL from the miniOrange SAML app and paste it here. For the audience URI, copy the SP entity ID from Confluence and paste it into Okta. Next, go to the Assignments tab. Add the users or groups who should have access. Save your changes, and Okta is now set up as your identity provider. Back in Confluence, move to Service Provider Metadata. Select that you have the metadata URL for your IDP. From Okta, copy the metadata URL and paste it into the miniOrange SAML app. Save the configuration. Now copy the test and get attribute URL. Paste it into your browser, and if everything is correct, you'll see that the test is successful. This confirms that your identity provider is now linked to your service provider. Finally, configure user profile and group settings in the miniOrange SAML app. This ensures that user details and group roles are mapped correctly inside Confluence. And now, you will be able to log in to Confluence using Okta as your identity provider with the miniOrange SAML SSO app. Thanks for watching.